And here we are again. And I'm very excited to see the next questions you have for me related to final assembly area. Here we have the next question. Can you provide examples of how real-time monitoring systems are utilized in the final assembly area? Very interesting question, but I propose to go to the final assembly line. We have many real-time monitoring systems. The most important one in our plant is the MES, Manufacturing Execution System, that parameterizes, controls, monitors, and documents all the process parameters from raw material until finished goods of all the products we are producing in our plant. It also ensures traceability. That means that none of the processes can be overstepped because it will fail in the next process, and in case we have a customer return, we will be able to see all the history of this product in order to define actions to avoid the occurrence in the future, ensuring high quality standards towards our customers. Let's go for the second question of today. Here we go. How is the integration of technologies like IoT transforming the final assembly area and the Bosch Cluj Plant in the factory of the future? And Cluj Plant is the factory of the future and is becoming more and more smart and more interconnected, where data-driven decision-making and automation drive continuous improvement and innovations. And IoT is helping our organization to improve mainly in three fields. The first is enhancing efficiency. We are monitoring all the different parameters and KPIs from the machines in order to ensure that in case of deviation, we immediately react in order to avoid breakdowns. Of course, our preventive maintenance is also checking all this data in order to further improve the performance of the machines, to avoid breakdowns and to improve performance of our lines. The second is quality control. We are monitoring all the customer-specific requirements while producing our products, and in case there is a failure, we immediately react in order to avoid that we produce more failures in a row. Last but not least is the process flow. We ensure by monitoring all the process steps that we produce only the demanded quantity that we need to produce, avoiding overstock at the end of our final assembly line. And with this, we improve, of course, our performance in our plant.